Hey there, YouTube. In my last video, you saw me install the Klock Werks recurve windshield, and I've had a chance to ride since then. Rode on some rainy days and some sunny days. Here's my honest review of it. The theory behind the recurve, I'll get a shot of it. As you can see, it kind of flips up at the top, is that it lifts and shoots the air over the top of your head. Well, I had a chance to try it out, like I said, and I gotta say, in my honest opinion, it works pretty darn good. It shoots the air up. I'm 6'3", and it shoots the air up to where it hits about the top inch of my helmet, and that's it. Otherwise, it's pretty calm, not much buffeting, and in the rain just kind of dripped off the top of the shield. You know, it did go over, but some of it accumulated and dripped and then hit me, so it did a good job. The thing I really like about it is not only is it shorter, and I can see over it a lot better than the stock shield, but it's also pretty damn sexy if you ask me. Looks really good on this Roadmaster, as you can see, but the visibility, seeing the road, even though this is tinted, I can see over it much better than I could the stock one, because the stock one I had to have so high to get the wind off me on the freeway that I had to look through the horizon of the shield. So I'm going to give this thing a couple thumbs up. Good work, Klock Werks.